It's noon, actually, that I'm starting this video. I uploaded the vlog last night and it said it was processing, so I thought it was safe to go to bed and sleep, and it like corrupted and never uploaded, so I'm sorry. I had a protein shake for breakfast. This is actually like a meal replacement shake, so it's like enough protein and stuff. Although I could probably eat more. I could probably eat something with this. This is the kind that I got from Sprouts. It's pretty good. I mean, all protein powder that's vegan has that like pea protein vibes to it. I'm gonna make for lunch this salad. I ate breakfast around like 8:30, which was just that smoothie. And I've been hungry for like an hour, but I was trying to like wait for lunch. I was actually gonna make a snack, but I got busy doing something, so I'm gonna make this salad that I found on TikTok. It's actually from a place in LA, from La Scala. Okay, I'm not prepared at all. Let me get everything out. I need my lettuce, salami, Parmesan. I've got chickpeas.
Half a can of chickpeas.
Am I gonna like that mustard in there? We have this deli mustard. No thanks. Look at this. I told Jace he made something with this and I said, ew, that tastes like horseradish. He's like, you're crazy, there's not horseradish. What does it say? With grated horseradish and zesty mustard. I'm sending him a picture right now. That little snake. He needs to read the fine print. What a guy. I tell you what, I guess this is just gonna be a red wine vinaigrette moment. Like, if I use yellow mustard, is that gonna be bad? I'm not even gonna measure everything. There is nothing better than Parmesan cheese. Doesn't look very appetizing, does it? We're almost out of pepper. That looks kind of nasty, to be honest. Okay, chickpeas. Need to rinse. I don't think I even like chickpeas that much, so I'm not gonna use too many. Okay, lettuce, I need to cut. How do you even cut lettuce? This needs to be rinsed first. I don't trust any lettuce without washing it myself. They say lettuce is like 22% or something like that of all cases of food poisoning. No thanks. Okay, now I need to shred this really skinny. Okay, next up, salami. I haven't had any kind of salami at all in like 10 years, so this should be interesting. Ozzy, it's not happening. Salami, not tore up as much as I would like it to be. I used a peppered salami too. And mozzarella. I need to mix it. Toss, toss, toss. Okay, then it says top with pepper. Don't mind if I do. I love pepper. And more parm. It's giving 5-star, to be honest. This better taste good. Let me clean up my mess, but this is what it's looking like. Doesn't look good. I'm about to find out. All right, let's taste test the salad. It should be noted that I never like food when I make it for myself, so let's see what this tastes like. I think I snapped on this one. I could see where the Dijon would probably help it a little bit. I'm not sure if I love salami. I'm gonna try and eat it. I just finished my Halloween look and I'm taking it off now. I gotta take a shower because I put too much hairspray in my hair. So I guess it's gonna be a hair washing day. Oh, did you see my eyelashes stick together? I'll not be using a makeup wipe either. It's so bad for your skin. This look turned out so cute, like with everything done. I already had half of it wiped off so that you wouldn't know what it is, but it's so cute. Okay, let me go take a shower. Hair's washed, but I could not get all of the red off my eyes, so it's giving My Chemical Romance. I got a package from ColourPop, and I'm hoping that it's from my girl Eleanor. Snitchery, as you guys know her. It is. She did Am I the Villain collection, and it looks so cool. Everything she does is cool, to be honest. These are the blush sticks. Here's a gloss. Lippy kits. 3 lippy kits. Super Shock Shadow Duos. Cute. I'm so excited to try this. So I've got a lot of stuff to finish today. I need to edit that video I just did because it was actually due yesterday. And I did not send it, obviously. Look, I blow dried my hair and now they're sticking out like little wings. Love that look for me. I'm gonna make something to eat, maybe a snack, maybe dinner. I don't know what I want. My mom took me grocery shopping yesterday. That's not important. What's important is the look I just did is so cute. I cannot wait. I'll do a quick... Oh no, the sprinkler is turned on and the dogs are outside. Nicholas peed on the floor, so I'm gonna have to clean that up. Look at him. The face of someone who pees on the floor. Bad boy. Let's go. Is it hot out there, Bugs? Oh no, your toy's getting wet. Good evening, Will. Jace just got home from work and we're gonna watch a movie. We don't know which one yet. I said either the new Mila Kunis movie that's on Netflix or another scary one or something that just came out. I got a lot of work done. I got my about face look done that I was working on, and I did a cute video for it, so I'm excited for that.
Today.
What's that?
These are extra cymbals from my electronic drum set.
He gave them to you?
Yeah, they were.
Why does my skin look so bad? I just woke up, I must admit, and I just wanted to quickly tell you that yes, my eyes are still red, but we watched the movie Resurrection last night. It was like number 3 on some scary movie list. Oh, I forgot I washed my hair, that's why I look so crazy. It was number 3 on some scary movie list. And it was so boring to watch. And then the ending is like, what the hell happened? They don't explain anything. And then it ends. So, don't recommend renting that one. Today is Sunday. So I'm gonna stop this vlog, edit it, upload it. Now I'm off track with the vlogs because the one didn't upload on time, so now I'm a day behind. It's a mess, but we're gonna get through it together. We're gonna figure it out. And I'm gonna go, got a lot of stuff to do for the day. So check the next vlog for all that. I will see you there. Bye.